As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land, that is 250 plus of land along the Flower Road, that is at Old Ningo area.
This position, and I want to thank you for.
For the past 2 weeks, the social demonstrations are quite trendy. One Nigerian man, I just said, he paraded himself as an Igbo king, as a king in Ghana. According to video and sources, this man has acquired 50 acres of land in the Ningo Pram constituency, or the Igbo village, or be set up a very big state, Igbo state, Ghana are serious about this issue. Ghana for arising in their interest. Now, some that also I should communicate on this particular issue. In this video, we didn't come after the Igbo king in Ghana. No more has some George and some all kind of Yeah, the total constitution, then a Ghana constitution, I can pass a foreigner, a very erect kingdom. Ghana's as Swiss. I high Penyah Block Media. That's what I say. Need him. But like if video run down my subscribe button, never click notification and conflict habits. Now, bet you the wife in their mama ever comment section. Mess around so baswa. No, she video more for so any big action. It as a first story in the introduction. There is one gentleman, one fine gentleman, who paraded himself as a king. In fact, his name is His Royal Majesty Dr. Chukwudi Jude Iheneotu.
Happy great weekend. Happy Saturday to you, my friends. My wife and I.
Now your face be this.
And my beautiful daughter. And my great elders, my protocols. We're on our way going for a funeral now. I love you all, my followers and my loved ones. Good morning.
Na Konyo in the throne name. Eze Ohazrumi the first. On the king of Igbo in Ghana here. Igbo for Ghana here now. Or no, any that woman. I said, Papa na here what do Ghana and young crown crying you. Or hosting very big programs. Our Ghana are so.
Papa, Yami and Shao.
You don't have a procedure of doing things.
Our brochure is here going around.
Your hometown for another wonderful ceremony. Thank you, please kindly go to your seat.
So you are granting many interviews. They were quote TV 3 FM. A committee Black Rasta in our interview. Honomo. Even to the point that His Excellency John Mahama Krano or Kosran Mahama I addressing as His Royal Majesty a Kenya a Kahubi.
This position, and I want to thank you for what you're doing for your people. We know the Igbos are very creative And like you said, when it comes to culture, you tell your own story. We are absorbing a lot of Igbo words into our own language here in Ghana, you know. So when somebody sees a big man, says Igwe. And so we appreciate, you know, the creativity of your people. And your people are very enterprising. Wherever they go, they are able to, you know, survive and, you know, make the best of the opportunity. And I mean, for you, you radiate that, you know, confidence and, you know, humility at the same time. And I know that you're one of the influences to make your people law-abiding within Ghana and to keep according to the laws of Ghana. And so we appreciate the work you do as Your Royal Majesty. We'll continue to work with them. We lost the election in 2016, but we've not sat back. We're still working, and we are sure that by the grace of God, 2024 we always want to collaborate with you to make sure that we're able to let the governance that we all want to see continue to happen. Ghana and Nigeria are like twins of the same mother. Yes. And so we're watching what is happening in Nigeria very closely. Your own election is in February, and Ghana is always a year. And so we hope everything goes peacefully in Nigeria. I'm sure it would. Incidentally, the two leading contenders are both my friends, Atiku is and Tinubu to his my friend. So whichever way it goes, you know, we hope that and that Nigeria will continue to progress. Nigeria is a big brother in West Africa, and we always look to see that Nigeria gets its act together. When Nigeria prospers, the whole of West Africa, you know, prospers. And so we thank you very much for the visit. We'll take note of the date. It's good that you're giving us such long notice, and so it makes it easier for us to plan around the date. And so we'll take note of the date, and if God grants us good health and long life, we'll come and join you for the program.
Former President John Adekum Kufo any ewo fie a okonyo no nkwa one ne elders and the chiefs ne mpanimfo e na call ye ekosra no.
Yeah, this one.
Even on the 9th of December 2025, when I told me, you know, Papa we posted on the Mahama picture, Omucha is not all Mahama, Emma or Mahama. Congratulations. What I said, he congratulated His Excellency the President-elect, then President-elect His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Emma Papa, you know, Enya Hinie Kekena, Enya Savior, we a leader of Igbo, they were forming kingdom, our kingdom, no. Or many sub-chiefs, any council of elders, council of royals, all will be a kingdom. Very big kingdom, and all started Ghana as way. So, according to him, no, he is there for peace because there was once an interview. I just said, okay, as Igbo king in Ghana, no, who accepted Sabia, or be of free Nigeria, belonging to Igbo tribe now, or Yoruba, and now any other tribe, no, Say Oba Moha, let us be Oba Maso ya no more not. Oh, I accept everybody. I am there for peace. Yes, I mean Jobia.
And looking at you as an Igbo king, that means you stand solely for the people of the Igbo land. Do you allow other tribes from other places like Nigeria and other places right here in Ghana to come to you for assistance just in case they need any?
Yeah, Jesus is the savior of the world, but he started from Israel. So the tribe that made me to sit where I am today is the Igbo tribe.
Yeah.
But remember that I'm a Nigerian. Igbo is inside Nigeria.
Yeah.
And every Nigerian, every Igbo man will believe so much in ourselves. As soon as you cross the border, you are not seeing like Igbo again, like Yoruba again, like Hausa again, but you see like a Nigerian. So the throne of the diaspora Igbo throne in Ghana is protecting Igbos, defending Igbos, projecting Igbos, defending Nigerians, projecting Nigerians, and all tribes in Nigeria. In extension, also support everybody that comes around us, irrespective of the country where you're coming from and the tribe where you're coming from.
Before I got to about on the 5th December, crown, but pay a video and to Nigeria for no more Ghana for no for. Then we had about 2 days to election, the Ghana election. They should stay out the election. And you must some or found it, we a Ghana for the it Omunya Emma Ghana, Nigeria, Libya, and was Abano or Quaco to be.
As the peace ambassador, my fellow Nigerians in Ghana, I want to advise each and one of us to be very careful not to vote on Saturday, 7th of December here in Ghana because you're not a Ghanaian. But if you are nationalized in Ghana and you're eligible to vote, you can do that. But if you engage yourself in election voting in Ghana that you're not Ghanaian, if the authority arrests you, I will support the authority to jail you. So please be careful anywhere you are. And just pray to God for God to make Ghana a great nation, for the election to go very well to the glory of God. And again, like Ghanaian brothers and sisters, I also plead with you, more especially the youths here in Ghana, to please remember and know that this great nation Ghana is in your hands. The youths are the future of today and tomorrow. If you destroy this great nation, you destroy your future. Don't engage in fights. Don't engage in anything that had to do with the election fraud. Ghana is a great nation. As a peace ambassador, I plead with you to please be calm. And also to our fathers and mothers, the leaders, I also plead with you to do the best you can to maintain free and fair election and to maintain the dignity of this nation, Ghana, because Ghana is one of the best countries that have good governance in this world. I want to say, may God in heaven make this election a great one. The 7th of December, 2024, may God in heaven choose a great leader that will lead this great nation. God bless you. I want to say thank you. I love you all. Bye.
Yes, he has proven to Ghana that he's a man of peace. When the odd transit and many other things, he's there as a man of peace as he paraded himself. On the 29th of December 2024, despite his number of chiefs, Osam Meki, another chief.
N'ụbọchị taa ndị Igbo nọ na Ghana na-etu ebubo ihe olu a ga-ete gị n'ụbọchị taa anyị ma na olu gụsiri ike already mana asị ihe olu a ga-eme ka ozugbo gị mara mmụọ ọ ga-etigburu gị atọ mmụọ na atọ mmadụ ọ ga-eme more than design this is now I can get a long I'm not if I could like that's now if what again we don't get I'm a rose I don't know that one achievements in Andre I can't all the power invested in
a high chief. We are making a high chief on the 29th of December 2024. And tell me, be editing until the video be started to go viral. Now, that particular video, no, and I'm a Ghana for Ekasa. This is the video go viral.
As I'm talking to you, I've acquired 50 acres of land, that is 250 plus of land along the Flower Road, that is at Old Ningo area. But along that road, it's right on the road. I acquired 250 plus of land. My reason of acquiring this land is to build Igbo village in Ghana. I call it Amandi Igbo in Ghana. We'll build a village where we're gonna build the palace of Igbo there, a huge palace. We'll build Igbo town hall there with about 2,000 capacity chairs and 100 rooms guest house. The essence of this guest house is most of the times our governors and our Igbo great leaders do come to Ghana. You know, they always go with their entourage. If they come to Ghana, their entourage will see where they will lodge for free of charge.
What I say, so in the video, no, this man is saying, he has acquired just a 50 acres of land, 50 acres of land, no, or the best, or the BC Igbo village. I know is a Igbo state, or see Igbo state, Ghana. Now this issue, no, I'm gonna forget say, now man, ya dear man, Ghana is also see, because yakaya, kusasi, and kusasi no man pussy for boku issue, no. I don't know much into it, but the little that I've read about it and the little, history that I've learned about Boko Christ, no. In Germany, say these two tribes, no more tribe coded about these two tribes, the Mampusi and the Kusas form. One of the tribe, anything can be now Boko Assassin. And or ma other tribe, ever trying to change the genuine for black. I say, but come on, we need to try coming one, but I'm in Jamie. And when Nanobia ask a team, Munya Bayer, okay, we leader Bayer, Kuzai for leader, Wizard Bayer, Mampus for leader. Sa, generation, sa, no mercy, it will be a team. Ene obia ene sasa se ba kono tribe mienu so mu de all claim ownership of the tribe. What I say, omu do claim ownership eno ne boko fonto kwai ana Israel eso ne Palestine mama hit gaka Israel ne Palestine esta event started in 1920 after the First World War. Ana Palestine any petition echo that time for forming United Nations for or the petition echoes after World War no Palestine yajija ejesrema de hiamwa umeboa omuyi nipa ni bi edeko Palestine said the munko boa wo mu Israel for Kobe and many other Arab countries ekobi and almost signed some agreement pact from 1920 to 1948. After 1948 and Palestine was okay now yansasu eche do ade betimi atichiri yaman obi anko and then Israel for so monti ase omunko ehwa be yomu de Gaza as omunko that time no say adode oil ewo ho na Israel akomu say oil ewo Gaza as nteni omunko ama United Nations gasa ka eni say the amount of as na as ye chem Palestine for asase no United Nations USA could na Israel chi say ye cha asase ni mu ama mo mienu it one for say the air chem history ya the Israel dey enfato ho Israel and Palestine let's say the boko kwaka say enfato ho a ade ama yi wo Ghana hanom na one for say ebia in some years to come no anwe ya wona Ghana Europe Igbo for ne Ghana ba be pray asase Igbo for because si obe ye Igbo state e wo Ghana there Igbo village or Ghana there na how and say it unfortunately say in the next maybe 50 to 100 years to come anwa Igbo for yi any Ghana for be kun asase but some just terms will there be massa prior to video na go over na my neka say he has acquired 50 acres of land or the ebe ye village no some just say massa munya odum dogeka and is another make post and not say no king has any kingdom or land in the Ningo Pram constituency. Disregard any such claims. The ancient great Ningo kingdom is welcoming to all who visit us, but none is welcome to lay claim to a kingdom here. Rest assured, We are a hospitable people, but our hospitality cannot be taken for granted. Let calm prevail. Just say, oh, master, mine has all can there. Bibia says here, Debbie. Bibia hair. Ningo pram pam. Yasas, it belongs to us. Yenton Bibia Mobia, Yenton She, Emobia. But video when you as at air go viral. Our mind no is going rounds parading himself as a king. Even in Ghana here, Grande, you can't go for your king. Ghana, Father, that's what they matter. You need to kill your Ghana. But we accept a foreigner to form a kingdom over here. The sense say, oh no, cry as that airbo sachis. Or not that ACC sachis, our Ghana as serious. Near Quana say by. A time we present with a constitution and say, okay, Ghana cry out, then I'm Ranaka. And Rana SSA. Ain't it as someone who is not into law? Me we say AI, say AI, mommy. The constitution a kafa Ghana as home. It is a foreigner be a kingdom. Ewa Ghana, and then a Ghana mra. This is what AI has to say with reference from the constitution. No, according to the constitution of Ghana, a foreigner cannot simply start a kingdom. The institution of chieftaincy in Ghana is deeply rooted in customary law and usage, and it is explicitly guaranteed by the constitution. What I say? I'm watching key factors. I just said, I didn't a play where I just said foreigner ain't me. And overboard the regulation by law. The Chieftaincy Act 2008 Act 759 ekasa efa idema we say foreigner cannot make himself a kingdom in Ghana. But here's the case: we have this Eze Ahazrume the first as Igbo king in Ghana. And Kaboni bianim, but yet we are Ghana for omo Nigeria. They say omo eye business e ohono. Nigeria for no so e pambu as omunko omu hia Ghana for na beji omu business enti omu enko
to present a petition to the commissioner.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We are here because we have Ghanaians in Nigeria who are businessmen. And I mean legitimate businessmen.
Yes. Yeah.
You see, so this morning, as we are here with our colleagues, our brothers and sisters are in Nigeria, our mothers are there, and our brothers too are there. They are all doing legitimate business. Nigerians are in Ghana. We are not harassing them. We are living in peaceful and harmony with them. I don't know why when a Ghanaian is doing business in Nigeria, they are harassing our Ghanaians. So we want the commissioner to know that he should inform the IGP in Nigeria. And also inform Tinubu, our president, the president of Nigeria, in Nigeria, that Ghanaians are being harassed. Ghanaian businessmen are being harassed in Nigeria.
Yes.
So please, we want peace. We don't want trouble. We want to live peaceful with the Nigerians in Ghana as we are continuing doing. So please, in Nigeria, tell the IGP and tell the president of Nigeria and tell the immigration heads in Nigeria that in Ghana we live peace and harmony with their people. So they should also do the same to our people in Nigeria. Thank you.
But here's the case: we have a Nigerian man parading himself as a king, erecting a big kingdom. Ewa Ghana as suiso. But once a Miami bra Penyah Clement of Gossip 24, I bet you what I say. I bet you all kinds of some Sandra air candy. Or on Sandra air, you say you're penny from Sebi. The leaders or the traditional leaders of this land, the Sebi, and Passagot sense over Thomas, I say 50 acres of land to a foreigner so from a kingdom. For a kingdom party, Clement interested there. The traditional leaders no almost and yes, and Thomas as a case, and from Obi. But I am nice. But to me, dear, Ghana near one. Anything is possible. Ghana, be possible. Clement, be possible. Ghana near one, be possible. Ghana, be possible. You know, I see danger. I see danger with this because say as leader I normal because oko UK, oko USA I Africa I can't say a leader do man normal, but to start a kingdom there, kingdom what start with now kingdom class was in Ghana him fully be ahini how your program wa hine class was in Ghana him fully be ahini then na kwa say ba wait on children mama our comment section. Where part 1 or part 2, part 3, this is a developing story. I Penyah Media.